Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to verify with Rover Discord bot. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have installed and configured your Rover on your Discord. So simply ensure the Rover bot is invited to your Discord server, and once you're in your server, you need to simply set up verify channel and welcome message commands properly. Now, use the /verify command in the designated verification channel or any channel where Rover is activated. You need to simply type in /verify. So once you have typed this in, you need to link your Roblox account as well. Now, Rover will provide you instructions and link to their website. Follow the prompts to log in with their Discord account and authorize the connection to Rover. Now, simply complete the verification, and once verified, Rover should update your Discord roles and nickname as configured. So this is how you can verify with Rover Discord bot. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.